If the new WhatsApp Meta AI is not working on your iPhone or Android, I'm going to show you how to fix this. So if you go to WhatsApp chat, you should see the Meta AI command just like this. And this is the new innovation by WhatsApp, or call it Meta, which is meta.ai, where you can interact with bots. Here, if you ask any question from the Meta AI, you should see a quick response, AI generated response. This is how do you tune my guitar. Just hang on for your Meta AI to come up with a perfect way to tune on guitar. Now, can you see? This is generating it. The Meta AI is generating your query. That's answer to your query. This is exactly how you can tune your guitar. Also, you can ask any question like, what is life? What is WhatsApp Meta AI? How can you use Meta AI on WhatsApp? What are the benefits of Meta AI? Or any question related to Meta AI on WhatsApp. With the Meta AI on WhatsApp, you can generate any question and answer and get it directly on your WhatsApp. At the same time, you can also ask personal questions, real life questions. Meta AI or WhatsApp Meta AI will give you the perfect answer to this and also cite examples on how this works. And see, I just ask Meta AI on WhatsApp and it comes up with answer to my query. In this case, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp Meta AI not working on iPhone and on Android. Mark you, this is based on some countries. So if your country is not on the list of countries that can actually use a new WhatsApp Meta AI or both, you'll not be able to use this feature even after following the steps I'm about to show you in this video. However, if this feature is available in your country but you are yet to get it, here is exactly what you need to do. Just make sure you close the WhatsApp app first. Once that is closed, go and open the App Store application, open it, then tap on the magnify button at the bottom right. Search for WhatsApp. Just tap the search box and search for WhatsApp. Tap this. If you're using WhatsApp for business, choose WhatsApp for business. Then open the WhatsApp application and make sure you upgrade the WhatsApp to the latest version. This current version is version 24.8.80. If you are running anything lesser than this, you will not be able to use the WhatsApp Messenger Meta AI to generate query or answers to your questions. Then once you updated this application on your Android or iPhone, tap on the open button. And once you click on the open button, this is what you're going to see first. This page. Then tap on chat. Now you should see the Meta AI at the top right before the camera here. And if you click on that, then you'll be taken to where to start using the WhatsApp Meta AI. However, if you're in any chat and you want to use the Meta AI with anyone, all you need to do is quite simple. You need to call the Meta AI to interact with your command. So just open any chat on your WhatsApp, tap on the chat space, and first you need to type hat. Once you type the hat, you should see the Meta AI bot comes up, which says you can ask the assistant a question. Now, after hat, tap Meta AI, and once you click on that, then tap on the continue button if you are using this for the first time. But if you're a regular user, you don't need to. You'll be taken to the next page. Then tap continue. There you go. You can see the Meta AI attention has been tagged or it has been called. Then let's say how to use Meta AI on WhatsApp. Now, once you type your query just like this, like how to use Meta AI on WhatsApp, you want to hit the send button. Then just send the query and let's go. Just give this a couple of seconds and the WhatsApp Meta AI will generate how you can use the Meta AI. Like save my phone number, you save the phone number, open WhatsApp and start a chat with the phone number. Type a message like I, send it, and the Meta AI will respond. However, this is the unique phone number of the Meta AI. So if you do not have the Meta AI automatically on your WhatsApp, you need to do is just save this Meta AI phone number and start interacting with the Meta AI on your phone. So guys, if you found this really interesting on how to fix Meta AI not working on iPhone or on Android, you want to smash the like button and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.